Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using IONOS website builder. IONOS, found at www.ionos.com/websites/website-builder, offers a comprehensive website building platform. This platform provides a user-friendly approach for creating and managing websites, even if you lack extensive technical skills. It includes features like customizable templates, drag-and-drop functionality, and various design elements to help you establish a professional online presence. The website builder aims to simplify the process, making it accessible to beginners while still offering enough flexibility for more experienced users. With IONOS, you can select from a range of professionally designed templates, categorized by industry or style, providing a solid foundation for your website structure and aesthetics. The drag-and-drop interface allows for easy customization. You can move elements, add text, images, and other content with simple clicks and drags. This intuitive system minimizes the need for coding knowledge, empowering users to take control of their website's design. Beyond the design aspects, IONOS also incorporates tools for SEO optimization, helping your website rank higher in search engine results and attract more visitors. The platform offers a variety of integrated marketing tools to assist in promoting your website and reaching your target audience. Furthermore, IONOS provides various hosting plans to suit different needs and budgets, ensuring your website is accessible and performs optimally. These plans often include essential features like domain registration, email accounts, and security measures. By consolidating these services, IONOS streamlines the website management process, providing a centralized platform for all your online needs. While specific features and pricing can vary, IONOS generally aims to offer a balanced solution for building and managing a professional website. I encourage you to explore their website for the most current information and to see if it's the right fit for your specific requirements. For those seeking a straightforward and accessible website builder, IONOS is definitely worth considering. It simplifies many of the technical complexities involved in creating a website, allowing you to focus on the content and presentation.